Hello class 12th students, welcome to the again chapter number 3rd matrix. The last video I was not able to complete the inverse of matrix of order 3 by 3, so that I'll cover today. And let's start how to find the inverse of matrix order 3 by 3. Before I start with the problem, just again I am recalling whatever I have covered the last time. In the last video I have taught you that elementary transformation, there are two type of the transformation, row transformation and column transformation. We can perform some operation on row and column. What kind of operations we can do, just recall that also. Elementary row and column transformation, we can interchange any two row or column, means we can interchange one row with the another row or one column with the another column. This was the operation that we have done in the last video while finding the inverse of order 2 by 2. Next one, we can multiply a non-zero scalar to all the elements of one row at a time. Instead of if you can multiply with any non-zero constant in any one row or any column. And the third one, that is adding or subtracting a scalar multiple of one row or column to the another row or column. Okay, these three operations regarding the row and regarding the column that we have seen in the last video, and we have done one problem of also of finding inverse of matrix of order 2 by 2. Today I am going to show you how to find the inverse of matrix order 3 by 3, but again I am just recalling the formula that I have taught you in the last video. The formula for finding the A inverse, that is A into A inverse is equal to I. This is for row transformation. Still I am just showing you row transformation only. A into A inverse is equal to I. And what was the procedure there? The procedure was that what we want to do, we want to convert this matrix A into identity matrix. Perform suitable row transformation on matrix A so that it is converted into identity matrix I. The same transformation we do on the right hand side also, because equal sign is there. So whatever we are doing on the left hand side, we have to do on the right hand side, so that that identity matrix will convert in a new matrix B. And after that, what we are getting, this one, that key we are getting that this matrix A, this get converted into identity matrix by operation, and this matrix identity that convert in the matrix B. And after that, I into A inverse, that get changed in the A inverse, because when we multiply any matrix with identity matrix, we get back same matrix, and therefore A inverse is equal to B. That is going to be our answer, the result for us. So let's move for the one of the problem of order 3 by 3. So let's see the step how to find the inverse of matrix of order 3. This is the one of the general matrix of order 3 with their position of the elements A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23 and so on, A33. 3 rows and 3 columns, position of elements are specified. How we are going to start? One by one we have to follow this step. The step number 1, that we are going to make 1 in the place of A11. The first step is that we need to make 1 here. This A11 we are going to convert as a 1. After converting this A11 as a 1, means that A11 we are going to make 1, first this one, and after that the next step is A21 and A31, they are going to be converted in the 0, means that this we are going to first make this 1. After making this 1, downwards to 0, and after that next that A22 we are going to convert as a 1. Then we are going to make 1 here, and then A12 and A32 up and down is 1 के ऊपर और नीचे 0, A12 and A32 in 0. Then next one, that A33 as a 1, this one, and then आफ्टर दैट ये 1 बनाने के बाद देन A23 एंड A13 एज अ 0. दिस वे वी आर गोइंग टू कंप्लीट द identity matrix procedure. Okay, this is going to be done in this way. So let's see how it is happening. Just I am showing the steps and then we'll show in the problem also. Then my second step, 0 at the place of A21 and A31, make it correct. This one that this A22 is not correct. This is going to be A31. Please students, make it correct. This is a A31. Okay, next is going to be make 1 at the A22 and then 0 in the place of A12 and A32, up and down 0, then A33 as a 1 and then A13 and A23 as a 0. So again I am saying कि just make it correct. This one, this A22 is not correct here. This is going to be A31. यहाँ पे A31 होना चाहिए. Okay. So this way we are going to make identity, as I told you कि 1 at the A11 and then after that 1 के बाद ये दो downward 0, then this second column का 1, up and down 0, then third column का 1 and upward to 0. Means something like that we are going to make a W like procedure. We are going to follow the operation of W while doing the row transformation. Now let's see the one of the problem. Find the inverse of matrix by elementary row transformation. So here I have a matrix A with 9 elements, order 3 by 3, 3 rows and 3 columns. Matrix A is a 2 0 minus 1 5 1 0 0 1 3, and let's start how to find the inverse for this matrix. So get ready with your pen and rough paper also, because we have to do some calculation for this. Then only we are able to get the inverse. First, by the formula A into A inverse is equal to I. Then as we are getting this first line, I am putting the value of A here, 2 0 minus 1 5 1 0 0 1 3. A inverse as it is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. These are the identity matrix. Okay students, let's see here. I am explaining. This was the matrix A and this is your identity matrix that I have written first. After writing that, now step number 1. If you remember, the step number 1 was saying कि make A11 as a 1. Means इस 2 को 1 बनाना है. We want to make this 2 as a 1 by using some suitable row transformation. Some operation that we should do so that this 2 will become 1. तो one of the operation that easiest one while making the one, students realize that कि R2 को divide by 2 कर देते हैं, 1 हो जाएगा. Okay है, no problem, it's right. Only but if you remember in the last video I told you कि as much as possible try to avoid the fraction. Okay, because when we go in the fraction, it is possible that the chances are more that calculation will become wrong. So that's why what I am doing, I am not doing this operation. Is it any other operation we can do so that it will become 1? So yes, I have one operation that I can do कि what I am doing कि R1 goes to here, sorry, or R1 divided by 2 होगा, not R2. Okay, because I am talking regarding the first row. Another operation that I am saying, that is the R1 minus, sorry, that I am doing कि R2 minus 2R1. R2 minus 2R1. Why? Because if you see the R2 का जो first element है वो 5 है and R1 का जो first element है वो 2 है. तो 5 minus 2 into 2 means 5 minus 4 will become 1. So that's why my first operation that I am going to perform, that is R1 goes to R2 minus 2R1. This operation that I am going to perform, R1 goes to R2 minus 2R1. So let's see how I am performing this operation. What operation I am doing? R1 goes to R2 minus 2R1. Understood why I am doing this operation? So that this 2, the first element, that will become 1. And how it is becoming 1? That is by the operation. It is becoming what? Just see here. ये जो first element, first तो you should note that कि second row and third row, they are not going to change. Second row and third row as it is. you are just doing the operation on the R1, so just R1 is changing, R2 and R3 is going to as it is. And even on the right side also, just see R2 and R3 they are as it is, only R1 is going to change. And how the R1 is changing, let's find out. Let's see how the R1 is changing. The first element of R1 ऑपरेशन देखिए, ऑपरेशन है R2 माइनस 2R1, तो R2 माइनस 2R1 मीन्स फर्स्ट एलिमेंट ऑफ R2 इज 5 minus 2 into first element of R1 is 2, so that's why 5 minus 4 that is equal to 1. ये रहा आपका फर्स्ट एलिमेंट. ओके, दिस वे इट इज़ हैपनिंग. देन सेकेंड एलिमेंट के लिए चलते हैं. सेकेंड एलिमेंट ऑफ R2 इज़ 1. ऑपरेशन अप्लाई करते हैं 1 माइनस 2 इंटू सेकेंड एलिमेंट ऑफ R1 that is 0. तो 1 minus 2 into 0 that is going to be 1 minus 0 1, इसलिए ये सेकेंड एलिमेंट 1 है. लेट्स सी द थर्ड एलिमेंट का ऑल्सो. दैट थर्ड एलिमेंट जो यहाँ पे 2 आ रहा है, हाउ इट इज़ कमिंग, बिकॉज R2 का जो फर्स्ट थर्ड एलिमेंट यहाँ पे है वो है 0. माइनस 2 इंटू R1 का थर्ड एलिमेंट दैट इज़ माइनस 1, तो 0 और माइनस 2 इंटू माइनस 1 हो गया प्लस 2, दैट्स व्हाट इज़ कमिंग 2. So this way it is happening. Same way I am showing you in the right hand side also. Right hand side also same operation we are performing. So same operation if you are performing, so R2 का first element that is the 0 minus 2 into R1 first element that is 1. So 0 minus 2 that is going to be minus 2. So that's why we got this minus 2. Same way if you do on the second element, so R2 का second element is here 1 minus 2 into 0. So that is 1 minus 0. That's why it is coming 1. So here it is 1. R3 same third element के लिए करें, तो third element R2 is here 0 minus 2 into 0. So that's why 0 minus 0 it is going to be 0. This way it is happening, students. Whatever operation you are doing on the left side, the same operation you have to do on the right hand side, that you keep in mind and perform your operation. So we have done the first step, we got 1. After getting 1, now my second step is what? I want to make 0. Where I want to make 0? I want to make this 5 is a 0 and below 1 0. So third one is already 0, only just I want to make this 5 as a 0. And to make this 5 as a 0, now what operation I am going to do? I am going to do the operation R2. And the one thing that you remember, 0 बनाने के लिए you can't multiply by 0. Most of students say कि just sir multiply R2 with 0. 0 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं 0 हो जाएगा. बट इफ़ यू रिमेंबर आई टोल्ड यू कांट मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0. यू कांट मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0. दैट्स वाई वी हैव टू डू some other operation to make this 5 as a 0, and for that we take the help of this 1. ये 1 हमेशा हेल्प करता है 0 बनाने के लिए इस 5 को. ओके, तो what operation we are going to take कि we are going to do what? R2 goes to R2 minus 5 R1. R2 goes to R2 minus 5 R1, so that 5 will become 0. Let's see how. Okay, so I am doing the operation R2 goes to R2 minus 5 R1. If I'll perform this operation, so then what will happen, that the elements are going to be changed. Okay, देखिए ये इस ऑपरेशन से जो चेंजेस हुए हैं वो सिर्फ R2 में हुए हैं. तो सबसे पहले तो आपका ये R1 and R3 as it is, R1 and R3 as it is, only R2 part is changing, only this part is changing on both the side, left side also and right side also. Okay, तो R2 पार्ट इज चेंजिंग हाउ. R2 के ऊपर ऑपरेशन जो हो रहा था, R2 का फर्स्ट एलिमेंट था 5 माइनस 5 इंटू R1 का फर्स्ट एलिमेंट था 1. सो 5 माइनस 5 इक्वल टू हो गया 0. दिस इज 5. ओके, दिस वे इट इज हैपनिंग. देन नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट के लिए करें तो R2 का सेकेंड एलिमेंट था 1, दिस 1 माइनस 5 इंटू R1 का जो सेकेंड एलिमेंट है वो ये 1 माइनस 5, तो 1 माइनस 5 हो गया माइनस 4. दिस इज द करेक्ट वन, दिस वन. देन नेक्स्ट इफ आई एम डूइंग फॉर द थर्ड वन, तो R2 का थर्ड एलिमेंट है 0 माइनस 5 इंटू थर्ड एलिमेंट हियर 2, तो 0 minus 10 and that's why it is minus 10. This way you got. Okay, similarly the same thing we are going to do on the right hand side also. And if I am doing on the right hand side, so you can check by yourself. If I do the operation R2 का first element 0 then minus 5 into minus 2, so it will become 10. Then 1 minus 5 minus 4, 0 minus 5 into 0, that is going to be 0. This operation you can this calculation what you do on the pen and paper you do simultaneously, so you will understand this in more better way. And we have to be very careful while finding the inverse, because the calculation is very important. The role of calculation is very important here in this problem. So after this completing the first one, that we got 1 and 0 0, so we got the 1 and 0 0. Now the next step was that to make this minus 4 as a 1, इस minus 4 को 1 बनाना है. And this again we can do what, we can divide by minus 4 also, and you will get 1. That is okay students, that is not a problem. If you are dividing by minus 4, you proceed for that, you will get. But again, as much as possible avoid the fraction, that's why I am not dividing, I am just taking the help of this one. Okay, I am taking the help of this one to make this minus 4 as a 1, and what I am doing, I am multiplying by 3 here and adding with this, so that will become minus 1. So that's why my next operation is R2 goes to R2 plus 3R3. And what will happen with that, if I am doing this operation, so then if you see, while doing this operation only R2 is again changing here, R1 and R3 are as it is. Okay, so what is happening that this minus 4 and 1, minus 4 plus 3 हो गया minus 1, then minus 10 plus 3 3 is 9, that's why this minus 1. And then same operation on the right hand side, so 10 plus 3 into 0, this is going to remain 10. Next one, that minus 4 plus 3 into 0, this is going to remain minus 4 only. This one, that is 0 plus 3, so this changes, that's why it will become 3 here. Now as I said कि I want to make 1, मुझे इसे 1 बनाना था, ये minus 1 बना है, I want to make 1, so that's why what I am doing, I am multiplying by minus 1. When I am multiplying by minus 1, then all the elements of this row on the left hand side as well as on the right hand side, they are going to get multiplied by minus 1, means सबके sign change होने वाले हैं. So let's multiply. If I am multiplying, so it will become, just see, so if I am multiplying, so they are becoming 0 1 1 on the left hand side, here minus 10 4 and minus 3, the second row. And after getting that 1, now my next aim is to make 0. Which one? This up and down, this one as a 0 and this one as a 0, इनको 0 बनाना है. Okay, और इनको 0 बनाने के लिए we are going to take the help of this one. Always students remember that कि आप एक बार जब 1 बना ले वो step wise, take the help of that one only to make the 0. Okay, just take the help of that one to make the 0, so you will get your problems easily always. Okay, now to make this one up and down as a 0, I am doing two operations together, one on the R1 and one operation on the R3. Okay, so let's see how I am doing both the operation. So R1 goes to R1 minus R2 and R3 goes to R3 minus R2. So if I perform this operation, so I am finding that only R1 and R3 now is changing. R1 is changed because 1 minus 0, this 1 minus 1, that is 0, 2 minus 1 1. Same way here 0 minus 0 1, 1 minus 1 0 and 3 minus 1 2. Same operation on the right hand side also we are doing. So minus 2 minus of minus 10, so that's why this is 8. 1 minus 4 minus 3, 0 minus of minus 3 3. On this side if you are doing, so 0 minus of minus 10 10, 0 minus of minus 4 minus 4, 1 minus of minus 3, so 1 plus 3 4. So this way it is happened. We have done this. Second column is also completed. Now my next operation is that I am going to make this 2 as a 1. This 2 ko I want to make 1, and for that let's see what operation I am doing. I am doing what? R3 divided by 2. If I am dividing this now by 2, because I don't have now any other option. Without dividing I can't do. If you can say you can take the help of this 1 sir, but if you take the help of 1, then you will find this 0 will get disturbed. Okay, most of times students ask me, sir, by this one, by taking this one we can make this one. 2 माइनस वन कर लेते हैं, R3 माइनस R1 कर लेते हैं, हो जाएगा. बट इफ़ यू सी, इफ़ यू डू दैट ऑपरेशन, तो देन this 0 will get effect. And when we are performing something, then we don't want that कि whatever the work we have done already, मतलब जो कुछ काम हमने ऑलरेडी कर लिया है वो फिर से डिस्टर्ब हो जाए. अदरवाइज व्हाट विल हैपन कि आपका ये 1 बनेगा बट ये डिस्टर्ब होगा, एंड दिस विल गोइंग टू बी कंटिन्यू, द प्रॉब्लम कंटिन्यू चलते रहेगा. तो दैट्स वाई whatever we have made already, means now we have done this 1 0 0 and 0 1 0, that you don't want to disturb. Without disturbing this, you want to go for the next step. So that's why I want to make this 2 as a 1, but without disturbing this, and for that I have only this option. Without this option I can't do, and that option is what? Divide by 2. That's why I'm dividing by 2. So what will happen if I divide by 2? So 0 by 2, this is going to become 0 only. This 0 by 2 0, this 2 by 2 is 1. Same way here 10 को divide by 2 हुआ है तो 5, minus 4 को divide by 2 हुआ है minus 2, 4 को divide by 2 हुआ है so 2. So this way my this operation is completed, but still the problem is remaining. It is not done because you want to now, next step is what? I want to make this 1, this upper to 1 as a 0. इनको 0 बनाना है अभी, और किसके हेल्प से बनाना है? बाय द हेल्प ऑफ दिस 1, इस 1 के हेल्प से बनाना है. ये जो थर्ड कॉलम का लास्ट वाला 1 है, ओके, या थर्ड रो का जो 1 है उसके हेल्प से अपर 2 0 बनाने हैं. इस 1 नीचे वाले 1 के हेल्प से, फिर से मैं रिपीट कर रहा हूँ, इस 1 के हेल्प से ऊपर के 2 0 बनाने हैं इस 1 के हेल्प से. तो लेट्स सी कि हाउ वी कैन मेक द अनदर 2 0 बाय टेकिंग द हेल्प ऑफ दिस 1. So first I have written that last step only here as it is, okay, whatever we got in the last step, and as I want to make this 2 upper 1 as a 0, means this 1 and this 1 I want to make 0 by the help of this last 1. So that's why I am doing the operation कि R1 goes to R1 minus R3 by the help of third row, R2 goes to R2 minus R3, and now if I'll perform this operation, so let's see what will happen. So if I am performing this operation, you can find this left hand side matrix that will change into the identity matrix. ये जो मैट्रिक्स है ये चेंज हो गया है बिकॉज आपके ऑपरेशन में क्या हुआ है कि 1 माइनस 0, ये तो 1 ही रहा, 0 से 0 माइनस 0 हुआ है 1 ही रहा है, देन 1 माइनस 1 ये 0 हो गया है. सेम वे ये सेकेंड रो तो एज इट इज़ था, थर्ड रो भी नहीं, दिस इज ऑल्सो चेंजेस बिकॉज 1 माइनस 1 हुआ था 0 हो गया, दिस एज इट इज़. एंड सेम ऑपरेशन वी आर डूइंग नाउ ऑन दी राइट हैंड साइड. सो सी R1 माइनस R3 मीन्स 8 माइनस 5, 8 minus 5 will give 3, then minus 3 minus of minus 2 that will give minus 1, and 3 minus 2 will give 1. okay, R3 देखिए एज इट इज़ है, R3 में कोई चेंज नहीं है, सिर्फ R1 में चेंज है. R2 माइनस R3 करते हैं, तो R2 माइनस R3 करें तो देन माइनस 10 माइनस 5 माइनस 15, 4 माइनस ऑफ माइनस 2 प्लस 6 माइनस 3 ऑफ माइनस 2, that is this one, that is a minus 5. so this way it is completed. and now what we got कि ये जो हो गया है ये आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स हो गया है of order 3, then A inverse as it is, and this one, this part. so we know कि I into A inverse means when identity matrix multiply with any matrix then give the same matrix. that's why A inverse is equal to, this is your final answer that we got. okay students, so this way we do this problem. This is a very important problem, usually come in the board exam. okay, let's complete that last operation, I into A inverse, this we got. so therefore A inverse is equal to, this is my final answer. this way that you have to find the inverse of order 3 by 3. practice more and more, and very careful while doing the calculation parts, and follow the steps properly whatever I have mentioned, that 1 0 0 and then 1, then upper to 0, then third column 1 and upper to 0. when you will follow in this same manners, then you will always get the correct answer. still I have not taught the column transformation, that is the remaining. very soon we are starting with a online video from the Monday onwards. okay, so in that one I'll explain that ki how to solve the problem by using the column transformation. some assignments that I'm providing regarding this order 3 by 3, okay, as your homework part. so practice more and more, for this, because when you will practice in this, then only you will get your correct answer. It is not so easy that in one attempt or two attempt you will get your answer correct. Even I'll share a short trick for this also, regarding the IIT and JEE point of view, how to find this inverse in a very short manner by using some short trick formula, okay, in my next video. Till that, thank you for watching this video, and stay safe, stay at home, okay, in this difficult time. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you very much.